YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And look at, we are back. We got another unboxing. There we go. This is coming from Hiseeu. It is their Wi-Fi smart camera. Remote viewing. Hiseeu. Wi-Fi. Easy to set up. It is waterproof. IP66 waterproof. Clear night vision. Two-way audio. Alarm push. Motion detection. Support TF card. Remote viewing from tablets or your smartphone. iOS or Android. Comes with the manual. And then you could just download the app. It will show you, it's called the EC Cloud app. They got it right in the middle, QR code to download. It tells for the iOS system requires 9.0 or above, Android 5.0 and above. Or you could just search EC Cloud. EC Cloud. Like I said, this camera is amazing, super lightweight, and can't wait to install it. I'm not sure where yet, so we're just gonna mess around on here. You get the waterproof, and you get some screws. I just got a lot of cameras outside, and I don't know where I'm gonna stick this. So right now we can take a look, show you guys how it looks. Like I said, this thing is super lightweight, tiny little dude. So I mean, there you go. Either or. And then the screws are right here. You got it screwed in the holes right there. So I might know a spot for it. I see you right there. Look at those bad boys. It's already activated, so there's speaker. Here's the Ethernet wire. If you want to run an Ethernet, you could. I mean, I have no problems with my Wi-Fi, so now watch everything goes out today. So hopefully that don't happen. But I mean, I like the Wi-Fi. Less wires, the better. There's a reset. And then the QR code is in the back. You're going to need to scan it to activate it inside the app once you add the camera. And it's pretty long cord. I don't know if you guys could see. So you get a lot of room. See, that's another thing is I got to find outlets and stuff. So that's why I'm not sure if I'm going to have the whole install on this video. Just set up in, brief demo mode. And then we'll just get it rocking like this. So keep it like here. On the bottom, right here, that's where the TF card goes. There we go. Right there, if you guys can see. Right in here. There we go. So either or. I think they got cloud storage you could get. So there we go. I need it standing. Full swivel. Alright. I want to be stubborn, camera shy. There we go. We'll keep it like that right now. Zoom it over that way. I think this is upside down. Nope. Oops. So you can click on that one. And there we go. front window. You can move it. I see it moving. See the lights. Look at that. Full tilt. Really nice. So if you're looking for a good one, Father's Day gift, right here is the perfect one to get. Great affordable cost. And right here you got the features. Well, hello, 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 hello. See, it's very loud. Let me shut it off. Events. It shows you your recordings. Volume. Alright. There's a cloud. Right there. You could group it. We don't need it right now. I want to do more. Oh, here we go. Motion detection, motion tracking. Whoa. Siren. Whoa. Ha. That's cool. It sounds like a war zone. Some kind of zombie apocalypse. Freak out my neighbors. Alright, confirm PTZ calibrating. Might do a little dance. There we go. See? Do a little dance. Should be calibrated. See? All good to go. And like I said, motion. And it'll alert you on top or on your cell phone. Oh, baby. I think there's a pro version. Whoa. Zoom in. Zoom out. That's crazy. Yeah, this is a nice one, guys. So like I said, you might want to get a couple for your house. Maybe, like I said, Father's Day gift. Either or, I'm sure they'll appreciate it. You could do a preset position. Holy moly, you can do a lot. We'll cancel that one. I don't want to make it too long a video. HD, we'll switch it to HD. There we go. Oh, yeah. This is a good one, guys. Alright, so check them out. Motion everywhere. Try to... Oh, see? Ha! Pretty cool technology. Alright, guys, check them out. See you next video. Be safe.